Hi, I'm Keith from Amina Technologies, and we are going to be talking about the 70 and 100 volt transformer versions of all of our speakers. So every one of our speakers is really available as a high impedance loudspeaker. And the way that we do that is we pre-mount one of these transformers, and these are toroidal transformers, very low in distortion, very efficient. You still get some really good bass response out of that as well. These transformers are mounted prior to the actual speaker service being mounted. So they are part of the speaker and have to be ordered that way. The transformer provides you with 4 wires, 3 taps. So we have a yellow, an orange, and a brown, meaning we have yellow 10 watts, orange 20 watts, brown 40 watts. You connect whichever one you need to connect to in order to get the proper gain structure, and connect them to your multi-speaker run, to your 70 or 100 volt amplifier. It's a pretty simple installation, available in both IB and in the regular version. If you want to find out more about these transformer options, go to www.aminasound.com and find out.